Hi, second grade. This week we're going to keep going on in math with measuring for lesson 19. I think instead of me doing a bunch of stuff on the board, we're going to just run through, do the redraw right together, and then we're also going to do a couple problems on the problem set, and then you can do your exit ticket and homework on your own. Okay? So for the redraw right this week, it says Katie is hanging decorative lights. The strand of lights is 46 feet long. The building wall is 84 feet long. How many more feet of lights does Katie need to buy to equal the length of the wall? So you're going to have to draw a picture, okay? So, what's the longest length? Is it the lights or is it the wall? It's the wall. So, let's pretend this is our wall, and we know that it's 84, how many feet long? And the strand of lights is 46. So let's put a strand of pretty lights right here. Can't go all the way because it's not long enough. It's 46 feet. So that's the picture I'm going to draw. So how do we figure out how much more? Look at this space right here. How do we figure out how many more feet of light that she would need to equal the length of the wall? So you have your total. Remember, you have one of your parts, and we have to find this part. We have to do a subtraction problem. So 84 minus 46. Got to come over here and borrow from Mr. 8. Turn it into 14. 14 minus 6 is 8, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So, on the back, write a statement that matches the story. Katie, or Keisha, I guess maybe her name is. Keisha needs 38 more feet of lights. Okay? And that should work. All right. And that's your redraw right for this week. For the problem set, so what you guys are doing is you are going to measure 2 lines, and then you're going to just complete the sentences down below. Okay, so you measure line A and measure line B, and you're going to use, down here it tells you, you're going to use your inch ruler. So either use that blue ruler I sent home last week, or use the brown ruler that got sent home at the beginning of the whole e-learning thing. So let's measure line A first, and then measure line B. And then you're going to have to do some subtraction problems, is what it looks like. On the back, take a look. Let's do this one. Number 3. 32 feet, FT stands for feet, plus blank equals 87 feet. You need to stop and think, how do I figure out that problem? How do I figure out what goes right here? Okay, you're going to have to do some type of either addition. You can either do an addition or a subtraction problem. So what you can do the arrow way. So you start at 32 and we work our way up to 87. So we could add, how many 10s could you add to 32? If you just add 1 10, that would get us to 42. If we add another 10, that gets us to 52. If we add, we could go up 2 more 10s, couldn't we? To get us to 72. So we're at 72, we're trying to get to 87. Let's go up another 10 to get to 82. So we're at 82, we need to get to 87. Let's add another, we have to add 5. And so now we're at 87, but that's not our final step. We have to add all these little plus signs together to get the answer for right here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Oh, look, we have a visitor. Miss Donna.
Love you.
Oh, Miss Donna. Anyway. So the answer is 55 feet. 32 feet plus 55 feet equals 87 feet. You could have also just done a simple subtraction problem where you take 87 minus 32. 7 minus 2 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5, which is still 55 feet. Okay, so that's what you got to do on those. On number 4, it says Tammy. Tammy and Martha both built fences around their properties. Tammy's fence is 54 yards long. Martha's fence is 29 yards longer than Tammy's. So then they have a picture of Tammy's fence and they have a picture of Martha's fence. So it says that Martha's fence is 29 yards longer. So you're not going to take away 29 yards from Martha's. You're going to add 29 to Martha's. So it'd be 54 yards plus 29 yards. So just a lot of word problems. Work with your parents. And if you guys have questions, send me emails, okay? And make sure you do your exit ticket and your homework. Bye.